Hello guys, welcome to my channel Boost Coding. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use string slice method in JavaScript. Without any further delay, let's start. First, I will create a variable named text, and in this variable, I will take a string Boost Coding is my channel name. What I want from this string, I want to extract coding word. Okay, I want to extract coding word from this string. For this, I will use here string slice method. Before do anything, first understand the syntax of this method. String dot slice method. String slice method extract a part of a string, and this method return a new string, and this method does not change the original string, and this method takes two parameters. First parameter it will take start value, and second parameter it will take end value. Okay, I will show you. For this, I will get a new variable here, new text, for the return value which I will get from this method. And you know that this method does not change the original string, so I want to keep this return value inside in this variable new text dot slice method. And you know that guys, this method takes two parameters. First parameter start and second parameter end. So start parameter always start from 0. 0 means first position, and 1 means second position, second means third position, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you can see here I want extract coding word, and coding word start from 6. So I will write here 6. Now the second parameter end. 6, let's count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I want extract coding. Okay, so I will write here 12. Okay, let's console. What I got coding. You can see I got coding. Okay guys, let's console the original value. Let's see change or not. You can see here the value not change. Boost Coding is my channel name. Okay guys, and this method does not change original string. This method return a new string, and this is a return string. Okay, coding which I want extract. I want extract coding word from this string. Okay, let's do one more example. I want extract first character of this string. So guys, I want extract first character of this string. So I will get a new variable here, first character. Okay, text dot slice. I want to extract first character, so I want to start from 0 and I want to end 1. And let's console. Yeah, I got B, the first character. Let's do one more example for practice. I want last character. First I will get a variable for the return value which I will get from this method. You know that this method does not change the original string. So last character, I want to keep this return value inside in this variable text dot slice. Okay, I want last character, so I will write here negative value -1. And let's see what I got. Last character, I got E. You know that last character of the string is E. Okay, let's do one more final example. I want extract whole string. What is first? I will get a new variable whole string and text dot slice, and for this I will write here 0. That's console whole. I got whole string. Boost coding is my channel name. Okay guys, you have to remember 3 points about this method. Very important. First point, this method extract a part of a string, and second point, this method return a new string, and third point, this method does not change the original string. Okay guys, keep this point in your mind. Okay, enough for this tutorial. I hope guys you like my video, and if you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.